Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this fiber optic HDMI 2.1 cable for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's great because it's 50 feet, which I think that it's really nice. It has it supports 8K at 60 hertz resolution. It has HDR, and I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's open it up. As you can see, it comes in a really simple package, which I think that it's nice with all the information about it on display. And this is the main cable. As you can see, it's quite flexible, which I think that it's great. That way you can use it however you need it, and it's directional, meaning that you have to use the correct way to be connected. Okay, this one is for the source and this one for the display. They both come labeled, so you know which one each one. And well, let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna connect it to my laptop right here. Okay, the source one, and I'm gonna connect the display onto this TV. Okay. It's a ultra high speed HDMI cable, which I think that it's really nice. So as I've said, let's just plug it in into the HDMI port of our display, in this case this TV, and I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my computer, and as you can see, it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, we can use the mouse like regular. We can use it to in this case duplicate our screen, or if we want it, we can extend our screen if we want to do a presentation, so that way we can have our presentation on one of the screens only, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, and as you can see, it has a really nice image quality. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up even further. Right now it's maximum quality, and as you can see, it's really nice. Okay, I think that it has a really nice look to it. All the images are really clear, which I think that it's excellent. And overall, I think that it's great. It's a nice cable. I like a lot that it's flexible and that it comes labeled the direction that it goes, which I think that it's really nice. I think that it's great that also in the proper package comes all the features labeled, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's great. I like it a lot. As I've said, it's feels of an amazing quality, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.